Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Airtable to n8n. So firstly, I just pre-filled out some information over here in a form. I just gathered a name and an email. I'll just go ahead and pin this data. Come back here, search up the Airtable, click on that. We're going to create a record. Now you're going to most likely not have a connection, so you're just going to go ahead and create a new credential. This will pop up and it will ask you for an access token. So in order to get that, you go over to Airtable. You're going to come on the right hand side to the top right. You'll have your account. Going to click on that. It will bring a drop down menu and you're going to select on Builders Hub. Now my email's over here, so I don't want to show that, but it'll bring you to this web page over here. So this is where you're going to get your personal access token. So firstly, you're going to click create new token. I'll just call this YouTube. Now click on add a base. This will be the table that you want to work with. Now you need to add some scopes. So if you come back here to n8n, it says that you need to enable the following scopes. So you need data record reads, data record write, schema base read. So come back here, data record read, write, and then you need schema base read. So now that you have those selected, you're just going to go ahead and click create token. This will pop up your API key. So you're going to copy that, come back to n8n, paste this in, click save, and it should say connection tested successfully. So now we'll just come back here. For this example, we're just going to create a record. Click on the base, click on the table, and you will see that it will automatically pop up the fields. As you can see over here, I've already got name and email. This kind of just autofills itself. So we'll just go back to n8n and grab our name, grab our email, and that's it. So now we'll just go ahead and test workflow. So it executed. Now if we come back here, you can see that it populated our table. So this is just a quick short tutorial on how you can connect it to n8n. Hopefully you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.